Assessed valuation, is that by the city?
Yes.
So that's what the city thinks that the home is worth. But that's BS. Like that's what you're paying taxes on. Like your property taxes are based on that. But in reality, what you can sell it for is a different price.
Yeah.
You want the tax assessed value to be as low as possible.
So a tax assessed value tax assessors don't see appraised value. That's completely different. Appraised value is based on what the market, what the comps show. Tax assessed value is more so based on when the person bought the home or when it was built. Let's say a home was built in 2000, the tax assessed value barely goes up by a bit each year, as opposed to when the market indicates that values are going up a lot, like in Austin, that's market value. So tax assessed and market are completely different, and tax assessors don't have access to appraised value.